Plant which is newly repotted should sign of wilting leaves, dying branches, or it might die altogether. The repot shock is caused by harm to the plant roots during the process. Repotting plant is time-consuming, messy, and pretty stressful. I've got two amazing repot hacks that make this process quicker and less messy. Also will boost the health of your plant. Come with me, please. Repot is necessary and your plant will benefit from a yearly repot to let their roots spread out and continue to grow, as well as the uptake in fresh nutrients from the new soil. If you're taking your plant out of your pot, removing the soil from the roots, untangling the roots, and then potting up into some fresh soil, I tell you, you don't need to untangling the roots. The best practice is to untangle the root before putting the plant into a new pot. And this can be helpful if there are lots of thick roots at the top of the plant.
Surprise!
For quicker and less stressful way, all you need to do is find a pot. There is a couple of sizes larger than the exciting pot. Put into a bigger pot, add some fresh soil, and backfill around the plant. The roots will find a way to spread into the new soil without you needing to untangle the root. It's best and easiest to repot from moist soil into moist soil. The best potting mix tends to feel damp, allowing the new plant to settle in a bit easier. Be careful with how wet your soil is. The water on the surface will evaporate quickly, so if you water really right after you repot, moisture will be trapped in the deeper soil. Anyway, new pot, this will not allow your plant to hydrate properly, and it takes a while for your plant to combine with the new soil. This is why when you repot a root-bound plant, you don't always see a massive improvement in the plant. It's better to hydrate the plant before repotting it. You can either go for bottled water or the bath method. Give your plants bottled water at step 1, a day or two before repot. Plants will soak up the water through the bottom of the root just as long as there is a drainage hole and the soil is not compacted. This will make it easier to get your plant out of its pot and ensure it's hydrated. Other way to hydrate the plant, to give it a bath. Fill a bucket or any other vessel with lukewarm water. You don't want them to get chilly, but you also are not cooking to cook them. Lower the whole pot down in the water. Start where the stem of the plant starts. Make sure all of the soil is underwater. The water will now start to bubble. Wait until you stop. Lift the pot up and let the excess drain off. Put the plant back on the tray. After 1 hour, check the plant is not standing in water. For time consuming, take your plant out of the pot. Remove excess soil and submerge the root ball of the plant into the water. You will see lots of little bubbles come to the top as the water seeps into the root ball. This is when you know you're giving your plant a good drink. Leave it in the water for 5 to 10 minutes so that the water can saturate the root ball of the plant. This method of watering means that the roots of the plant get a good drink. Plants may not appear wilted and thirsty, but take care of watering until about a week after repotting to ensure that any root damage during repotting have healed. Thanks for watching. I will see you in another video.